Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today is the final embellishment tutorial for the junk journals. The next video will probably be the reveal of the 3 small junk journals, because I will be putting everything that I showed you in the latest tutorials into those junk journals. And it's going to go quicker for me than the large chunky junk journals, because I have everything all ready and waiting to go in the junk journals. I will not be making anything extra, so this is the last of it. Now, I had shared this envelope, the larger one, the tall skinny envelope, with you in the chunky junk journal, and when I went to go and share the link to the die with you, I noticed that they were no longer available. And I had recently purchased this die from the seller in June, so I don't know why they're sold out already, but they are. So I'm going to keep visiting the seller to see if they do put this back up for sale, and if they do, I will put the link in the description box below. I do have the seller's name there, and this was the tag on this die. It's LG23-4945, and this die is just super cute, and I would hate for you to miss out on this because I know you would use it a lot. So you do get a tall skinny envelope, and you do get this oval to create the window, and that's what I did with mine. And you see I still have it taped there. And this is the smaller envelope that you get in the set, and you do get a square. You also do get a round if you want to make a round window for your small envelope. And then you do get a larger rectangle for the tall skinny envelope if you wanted to make it with that type of window. It's up to you. So it's very, very versatile in how you can do your tags. And these are for the tags on the inside of the envelopes. You get one for the small and one for the larger one. You also get this to put on your tag. It has 2 little holes so that you could actually tie some twine in there. And they have one that has stitching, and then they have one that has a score line for whatever you want to use that for. They also have these 2 little circles if you want to make the circles to put in the back of the envelopes with the little twine to close them. That's a cute thing to do as well. And then you get 2 little tags. So it's a really super cute die. I'm sorry it's not available. Maybe by the time this video goes up, it will be, and I can share it with you. So again, I'm going to go ahead and move these aside, move that aside and show you the little tags. Here is the little envelope. Isn't that adorable? And then on the inside, here's the little girl tag. And I made one each of each size for my small junk journals. Here's this cute little girl. And there's the tag inside. Here's the larger one. And here's the tag inside. This would be so cute on a gift too. You know, like a birthday gift. You could put happy birthday instead of these types of words. Birthday or congratulations. And this is the other one with the other little girl. All these girls are from the Fussy cuts from Cottage Girls, My Porch Prints, and they are the first sheet in the Fussy cuts. They have small ones and large ones, and all my embellishments use the small girls. So let's go ahead and put this together. I'll show you how to put it together, how I put it together. So for the large envelope, I'm going to go ahead and distress all the edges. folding on the score lines. All right, got to fold on this one. And I think I got all of them. Alrighty. Now I just cut a piece of acetate. And this piece of acetate is 1 3/8 inch by 4 inches. And we are going to, whoops, so sorry about that. I'm going to leave that out because I have another one to measure. We're going to glue it on the inside. And I'm just going to lay it on top of here. All right. And then I'm going to put some glue on this flap and fold it over. And then I'll put glue on this flap and fold that over. And this girl I have already glued on top of this tag. So we're going to put her inside, and I already put some glitter and it's already dry. If you put just a touch of the diamond stickles on things, it dries within a few minutes, not hours, as long as you have a light touch. So we're going to go ahead, and this is from the Fussy Cottage Girls, and I decided I wanted to put this on this envelope because it matches the little girl so well. And we're going to put it just like this. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this little envelope. And then I chose the word grateful to put on top. If you were going to make these for Christmas gifts, to go on Christmas gifts, they would be so cute. And I'm just going to make sure that's down. And I'm going to put some diamond dots again on the envelope. It's really quiet here today. We have a heat advisory again. It's like 113 outside. All right, so this one is ready to go. Isn't she cute? So adorable. Love it. And we're going to do the same thing with the small one. So we're going to take and distress ink all the edges. All right. It's going to go on top of there, so we'll do this. Okay, now we want to put the little plastic window in here, and this is about, let's see. It's not even cut straight, but it'll work. It's about 1 5/8 by 1, and it's just a little under a half. A little under 1 1/2. Okay. So we are going to glue that in this window. And I use, for little projects like this, I do not use my really good acetate. I have acetate, it's kind of thin, on the thin side, that's left over from the overhead projector days. And it's just perfect for these little projects that you have. And you could sometimes find it at Goodwill. Somebody will be cleaning out an office and they aren't using it anymore, and you find it there. All right, now we're just putting a little bit of glue to glue this envelope together. Okay, and then this is the little tag for the inside, and this is the little girl I chose to go inside. And I had some leftover double-sided print paper, so you can see how I used it for these envelopes. Now we're going to put this inside. And now we're going to decorate it. And I chose this little flower from the set, and I'm going to go ahead and put the word on here first. I forgot to put the little bit of distress ink. So I'm going to put the word right about here in the center. And then we're going to take our little flower. We don't want to cover her face up too much. So there we go. We're going to put it like that. And we're going to put this on here like this. All right, and then I'll put some diamond dots on here. And then I'll take a little bit of my diamond and just lightly go over those little flowers just to give it a little sparkle like that. And that's it. This is going to be going into my smaller junk journals. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, that you found it helpful. Hopefully we'll be able to get this die back in stock so that you will be able to get one, because I know you will think it is adorable. So thank you for joining me today. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.